Hello everyone, this is EgboJ20 and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Domino's app for Nigerians. At this point, everybody already knows about Domino's. Your grandma, your uncle, your mom, your dad, your auntie, whatever. Whether they know about it or not, everyone already knows what Domino's is. No introduction needed. Now, before I start this review, let me just put out a few disclaimers, which are: with that out of the way, let's get started. Now on the Domino's NG app, you can order literally any type of pizza that Domino's Nigeria has to offer, from their smally pizzas to their medium pizzas to their large pizzas, even their chairman sized pizzas. You can literally get any flavor of pizza that Domino's Nigeria has to offer, and you can even get like extra toppings and all that stuff, which you would have to pay at extra cost according to the Domino's terms of service. And you can even order half and half pizzas where one side has different toppings from the other. Isn't that cool? Plus, you're not only limited to ordering pizza on this app, you can also order sides and extras like jollof rice. You can even order chicken, you can even order their tuna sticks, and you can order anything else on the side that Domino's has to offer. What I also like about this app is that anytime they have something new to offer, like any new menu item, you will see that thing on their app. And it's something that's really nice because I've tested out some other food delivery apps, and before they actually bring out something new on the menu, it takes time. Sometimes they may not even update their menus at all, and it's really annoying. Now, one thing I really like about this app is that you can always know the prices of what Domino's has to offer. Now, on the Domino's website, on their terms of service, they state that they can change the prices at any time unannounced, meaning that they don't need to tell us, the public, when they feel like changing their prices. And the thing is that they constantly change their prices every single time. Like anytime I go to the Domino's outlet that is near me, they keep on changing it every single time I go. They keep on increasing. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, for real, what's going on, Domino's? Now, because of this app, I don't have to go to Domino's know the prices of their pizza or to ask people who may not even know their prices at all. And yes, I did say that they constantly increase their prices even on the app, yes, but at least you can mentally prepare yourself if you feel like ordering Domino's. Now, my best thing on this app is their deals and their discounts sometimes. Now, sometimes Domino's may come up with some deals that, oh, you can get 2 pizzas for the price of 1, something like that. Like, I love those deals so much. Like, in our family, we constantly use these deals whenever we feel like ordering Domino's, and it's really nice, to be very honest with you. Like, they're the only app that I know of where I live, which is in Enugu State, that actually offers deals and sometimes even discounts as well for pizza, depending on what you're getting. Now, on the Domino's app, if you want to make any payments for any pizza, you can only use your card, and you're eligible to use your MasterCard, your Visa card, or your Verve card. Unfortunately, bank transfers are not accepted on the app. According to the website's terms of service, that bank transfers are not accepted. But however, if you still want to do a bank transfer, you would have to go to your physical Domino's outlet and check if they have an account number for you to transfer to. Also, keep in mind that if you want to place an order on the app, once you place your order, you cannot cancel that order or even modify your order. So that's something you should keep in mind. So make sure that you order the right thing before you place your order on this app. Now that I've said things that I like about the Domino's app, let me talk about things that I do not like about this app at all. And Domino's, if you're watching this, no hard feelings, okay? One thing that I don't like about this app is that there's no way to leave reviews. Like, apart from the Play Store and App Store reviews, there's no way to leave like a review for anything that you buy. Like, for example, let's say now that I buy something like a pepperoni pizza and then I try to leave a review on it. I can't leave a review at all because there's nowhere to leave it. Like, so that way other people could see my review and know whether or not they want to buy a pepperoni pizza. It doesn't matter how you order, whether it's like a home delivery or a carry out, you still can't leave any reviews on this app at all. Now, here's another thing about this app that really pisses me off, like really annoys me. Now, for context, I live in the state of Enugu, which is in Nigeria, and the thing is that Domino's opened their doors in Enugu in 2019. But however, if I want to make a home delivery on the app, I get this cute error message. Now, the thing that really annoys me with this app is that in Enugu, they only deliver to certain areas. They don't deliver everywhere within the city of Enugu. I literally live in the city of Enugu, but whenever I put in my address on this app, it will tell me that same error. I remember back in 2019, we tried to use this app to order pizza. And what happened was that our address was not there. They said that, sorry, we can't come to your area, and we couldn't get that pizza all that day. And it was really, really annoying. I even tried putting in my school's address one time, and it kept saying the same thing. Like, what is that? Like, I don't understand. Like, haven't you been in Enugu long enough to at least be able to deliver everywhere? Now, I don't know whether or not this is a problem only in Enugu, but if it's a problem in your state as well where the same thing is happening, please comment below. Now, if you still want to order your Domino's pizza anyway to your home, here are ways that you can do that. Now, the first way is to get a dispatch rider. You need to find the contact of a dispatch rider near you. You can find them on, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, or if you ask a friend, they may have the number of a dispatch rider that you can call. You just have to keep in mind that some dispatch riders may be very unreliable, they may take a lot of time and everything, and it's very annoying. Another way to get your Domino's is if you have a friend who is going to any Domino's outlet. Just give them the money, they'll buy it for you, and then they now come and give it to you at your home. Now, another way to get your pizza is if you call Domino's themselves. Now, if you go on Google and you type in Domino's Nigeria, type in Domino's Nigeria phone number, make sure that it's from the official Domino's. You call them, and then from there, you order your pizza. And finally, if you want to get your Domino's pizza, you would have to order on their app via carryout. Now, carryout is a feature where you order your pizza at any selected Domino's outlet that you selected on the app, and then from there, you have to go to that outlet that you selected to collect your pizza by yourself. Now, here's one more thing that I don't like about this app at all. Now, while I was preparing for this video, I was reading through the terms and conditions of Domino's, and I read something that really shocked me on their app. Now, on their app, they state that their delivery experts are not penalized for late deliveries. Now, do you know what that means? This means that Domino's is basically empowering and encouraging their workers to be lazy. This means that Domino's is basically giving their workers the green light to basically fulfill their orders at any time of the day that they feel like. Now, let's assume that I place an order by 10 a.m. and decide, hey, let them come by 6 p.m. They won't get penalized or punished in any way. They will still get their salaries despite them coming late. Now, for me, I understand that doing a delivery job is not easy at all, and that not every Domino's worker is going to do this, but however, there are going to be some in the bunch that will abuse the heck out of this terms of service, and something needs to be done about this. Now, here are some solutions that I would give Domino's Nigeria to make their app better, in my opinion. Now, one thing that Domino's should do is to add a review system on their app. Now, having this review thing would be really nice, and I feel as if it's very crucial, like, to have a review system on your app. Like, it's not that someone orders a pizza, they should be able to leave reviews so that way everyone can see and make the subconscious decision as to whether or not they want to buy that pizza. Now, here's another feature that should be added on the Domino's app. Now, if you use Domino's, there is this feature they have called Easy Order. Now, Easy Order basically, it lets you save any order that you make on the app so that way you can always keep on making that order without having to select everything afresh. Now, one thing that they should do is that they should try adding this feature where you can share your Easy Orders with other people, like on WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. When you click on the link of your Easy Order, they can order the same thing as well. Let me just give you a practical example as to how this Easy Order thing would make sense. Now, let's assume that I'm an influencer and I have millions of followers across all social media platforms, and I decide, hey, let me share my Easy Order that consists of pepperoni pizza, jollof rice, and chicken to all my followers. Now, if I share the link and say, hey everyone, just click on the link in the bio to see my Easy Order, then some of my followers would click on that link, and from there they can order the same thing that I ordered, and it would make a lot of sense. Like, it would be really, really cool. Plus, Domino's can even create their own custom easy orders so they can share it with their followers for people to even try it out. And what they could be doing is that if you keep on sharing your easy order and it keeps on getting ordered multiple times, that it would, recommend that type of easy order. Like, it can recommend it on their Domino's app, and then from there people can be using all those things. Like, the best easy orders will get recommended, like something like an FYP, like how on TikTok, like the best videos are pushed out to everyone, something like that. Another thing that Domino should do is to add more locations to deliver to. As I said earlier, I live in Enugu and not every location is available for Domino's to go to, even my own address. Domino should basically just allow you to deliver to any location instead of just letting it be the available ones they have on their app. I should be able to put in my home address there without them giving me that stupid error. Other food delivery apps in Enugu will literally allow you to put any address of your choice and they will still deliver it to you. So Domino should also try doing the same thing as well. Another thing that needs to be looked at is the terms and conditions that state that their delivery experts are not penalized for late deliveries. That should really be looked into, because for real, that isn't a good thing at all, because these people represent the Domino's brand. If they decide, hey, let them come late, let them come whenever they want to, it will leave a bad taste on the public about their brand. Like, to be honest, I really wish that Domino's would literally pay based on how many orders that their riders can deliver per day. Now, if they did that, it would make them to sit up, and it will make those ones who are trying to exploit the system basically to not do that. Now, I know that it's not easy at all to do the delivery job, but still, something needs to be done about the terms and conditions, to be very honest with you. And finally, here's one last thing that Domino's should do. Now, I noticed that on the Jumia food app, if you change the location to somewhere like Lagos, you would see that they have Domino's on the Jumia food app. You can order Domino's there. Now, why don't they just do the same thing with Enugu? Because Enugu, we already have Domino's and we already have Jumia food as well. So why not just add it there? Because for real, like, Jumia food in Enugu is severely lackluster. Like, it's so bad. Like, it doesn't even have enough vendors, to be honest with you. So adding it there would mean that it would be easier for people to actually order from there if they don't want to change anything about their app at all. So Domino's, Enugu, Jumia food, like, y'all should work together. For real, y'all should work together. But anyway, that's all for today's video. If you have anything to add, please comment below. If you want to donate to the channel, just donate in the description. And I hope I see you guys next time. Peace out.